How to access Microsoft Copilot. If you want to access Microsoft Copilot, there are numerous ways to do so. First is that you can search for the Copilot application because it is pre-installed now with your Windows application. So you can search for the Copilot application. It will usually be pre-installed. If not, then you can also go to the Microsoft Edge browser and go to copilot.microsoft.com, which is their web version where you can also access the Copilot AI. Now, you'll also find Copilot when you're doing stuff in Microsoft apps like Excel or other applications like Word or PowerPoint. And this way, you'll be able to access Microsoft Copilot. I hope that this video was really helpful. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial. And as always, see you soon in our next video.